Assalamu alaikum, Muhammad Ashraf here from Pakistan. Clean climate, clean air. Air pollution is toxic for human beings. Overnight is so harmful for us. Greenhouse gases are dangerous for our planet. We should care about our planet. Nature is an earth beauty. Every tree is the mother of birds. If you love the nature will love you. Greenery is love and life. Please, we should
We should
care about
ever
the birds.
care about the birds.
Plastic is a toxic element. Make home with the mud bricks, please. Sports are
Sports are great for
great
health. Thank you.
thing for health.
Assalamu alaikum.